Hey everybody, in this video we'll show you how to recover your permanently deleted Gmail account even if you think it's gone for good. So let's just get right into it. We can open up a browser for that. Go to a browser, and once you go to your browser you can go over to accounts.google.com/sign-in/recovery and you will be taken to the space right here. So here you can just go over and start by entering up the Gmail address that was deleted. So enter it up. Once you enter it up, just go over and click on next. Just go over and do so and click on next. After you do so, you will be taken to the space. Now what we need to do is basically check if the recovery is still possible. So Google keeps the deleted account for a short period, usually up to 20 to 30 days. If recovery is still possible, you will be seeing an option to try, seeing option called try to restore account option. So you just need to select that option from the given options. And what you need to do is follow the on-screen steps, and you may need to you may be asked to verify. So you can either enter your password or tap yes on the device that your recovery email is signed to, or get a verification code here, or try another way to sign in. So for example, let's get a verification code. So here you can start by entering the verification code here and just go over and click on next. And once that is done, your Gmail account will be deactivated immediately. Unfortunately, if it's been more than 30 days since the deletion, Google should permanently delete all of the data, and including your emails, drive files, and photos. You can just go and create up a new Gmail account instead and add up a recovery phone and backup email and turn on two-step verification to protect it from future loss. And that is it, everybody. You may just head over and follow up these steps if you'd like to go ahead and recover your permanently deleted Gmail account. So you may follow up the steps for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.